In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Evernote notebooks efficiently and effortlessly. Exporting your notebooks can be a crucial part of managing your digital notes, whether you're looking to create backups or migrate your data to another platform. With a few straightforward steps, you'll have your notebook exported in no time. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to start by opening your Evernote desktop app. This is where you'll have full access to all your notebooks and notes, making it the perfect place to start the export process. Once you have the app open, take a look at the sidebar. This is where you'll find all your notebooks neatly listed. Scroll through or search until you find the particular notebook you've decided to export today. Next, you'll want to right-click on the notebook title. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From there, you'll choose the Export Notebook option. Clicking this will lead you to the next phase of the process, which involves selecting the format for your export. Evernote offers a few different formats to cater to various needs and preferences. The first option is ENX, which is Evernote's native XML format. This format is excellent if you want to preserve your metadata, attachments, tags, and timestamps. It's particularly useful if you're planning a platform migration or simply want a reliable backup of everything, just the way it is in Evernote. The next option you'll see is the single-page HTML. This choice creates one HTML file containing all of your notes, alongside a separate folder where attachments are stored. It provides a straightforward way of viewing all notes in a web browser with ease. Then there's the multi-page HTML option, which will create individual HTML files for each note. This option also generates a resource folder and an index, providing an organized structure that can be incredibly helpful, especially if you have a lot of notes and want to keep them well ordered. You'll also have the ability to decide whether to include or exclude metadata during the export. This might include things like tags, the creation date of the note, or the author information. Depending on your needs for the exported file, you can make those decisions accordingly. If you choose the ENX format and your notebook is quite large, there's a useful feature that allows you to split the export file into chunks. These chunks can range from 300 MB to 2 GB, making it easier to manage large exports. Finally, once you've made all your selections, format, metadata preferences, and chunk sizes if needed, it's time to finalize the process. Click the Export button, select your desired save location on your computer, and just like that, you're all done. And that's how you export Evernote notebooks. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful, and now you feel comfortable exporting your notebooks whenever you need to.